Our planet, Earth, a swirling blue and green oasis in the vastness of space. Now, we stand on the precipice of a new era, roughly 1.5 billion years in the past. The continents, still in their infancy, are scattered across the globe, and the atmosphere bears little resemblance to the air we breathe today. Yet, amidst this alien landscape, a revolution is brewing. Life, for eons confined to the microscopic realm, is poised to take a bold leap forward. Imagine shallow, sun-drenched seas, teeming with microscopic organisms, each a tiny speck of life in a vast, watery expanse. So, join us as we delve into the depths of time to uncover the secrets of this ancient epoch and witness the dawn of a new era for life on Earth. Our journey begins with a seemingly simple yet profoundly impactful element: oxygen. In this ancient world, oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis by early microorganisms, is slowly but surely accumulating in the atmosphere. Oxygen, toxic to many early life forms, becomes a selective pressure, driving evolution in exciting new directions. Some organisms perish, unable to cope with this new reactive element. Others, however, possess a unique advantage, an ability to not just tolerate oxygen, but to harness its power. This innovation, this ability to breathe oxygen, is a pivotal moment in the history of life. The rise of oxygen wasn't a sudden event. It was orchestrated over millions of years by cyanobacteria. These tiny, single-celled pioneers were the first to evolve the remarkable ability to perform photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. Before the emergence of cyanobacteria, Earth's atmosphere had very little free oxygen. As cyanobacteria flourished, they released increasing amounts of oxygen into the atmosphere, transforming the planet. As oxygen levels rose in the atmosphere, life on Earth faced a dramatic challenge. For the anaerobic organisms that had ruled the planet for billions of years, oxygen was toxic. Many perished, unable to survive in this new, oxygen-rich environment. But amidst this turmoil, a new kind of organism saw an opportunity. These organisms, our ancestors, possessed a unique ability to not only tolerate oxygen, but to harness its power. The rise of oxygen wasn't just about survival, it was about opportunity. With the increased energy provided by aerobic respiration, life could become bigger, more complex, and more diverse. The stage was set for a biological revolution, the emergence of multicellular life. This transition from single-celled to multicellular life is one of the most significant events in our planet's history. It paved the way for the incredible diversity of plants and animals we see today. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, all multicellular life owes its existence to this ancient innovation. The transition from single-celled to multicellular life was a monumental leap in evolution. Imagine a world where individual cells, once solitary wanderers, began to cooperate, to form alliances, to build communities. Those cells that could work together, that could share resources and divide tasks, gained an advantage in the struggle for survival. Over countless generations, these loose associations of cells became more integrated, their relationships more interdependent. This is the power of teamwork, of specialization, of unity. With multicellularity came a whole new level of complexity. Cells could now specialize, dedicating themselves to specific tasks and working together for the benefit of the entire organism. This division of labor, this specialization of function, was a game changer. It allowed multicellular organisms to grow larger, to become more efficient, to exploit new environments and resources. This newfound complexity wasn't just an abstract concept. It had profound implications for the evolution of life. The rise of multicellular life wasn't a single event, but a gradual unfolding, a diversification into countless forms, each a unique experiment in the art of survival. Imagine the primordial oceans, once dominated by single-celled organisms, now becoming a canvas for life's creativity. New shapes and sizes emerged, each adapted to a particular niche in this burgeoning ecosystem. This explosion of diversity, known as the Cambrian explosion, wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about survival. With multicellularity came new opportunities and challenges. Before the Cambrian explosion, during a period known as the Ediacaran, life on Earth took on some of its most peculiar and enigmatic forms. Imagine creatures unlike anything we see today, their bodies soft and pliable, lacking the hard shells and skeletons that would later become commonplace. These organisms, some resembling ferns, others like quilted pillows or segmented worms, represent a unique and fleeting chapter in the history of life. The Ediacaran biota, as these organisms are collectively known, present a puzzle for paleontologists. Their strange forms challenge our preconceptions of what life is and can be, offering a glimpse into a world where the rules of the game were still being written. As the Cambrian explosion unfolded, life in the oceans transformed into a complex and interconnected web. Imagine a tapestry woven with threads of vibrant colors, each thread representing a different species, each interconnected with the others. Predators evolved alongside their prey, their fates intertwined in an intricate dance of survival. New ecological relationships emerged, with organisms competing for resources, forming symbiotic partnerships, and shaping their environment in ways that would have profound consequences for the future of life on Earth. This burgeoning tapestry of life wasn't confined to the oceans. On land, the first simple plants began to colonize the continents, their green tendrils reaching towards the sun, slowly transforming the barren landscape. The Cambrian explosion wasn't just about diversity, it was an escalation in the game of life. As organisms became more complex, so did their interactions. The peaceful coexistence of the Ediacaran gave way to a competitive world with predators. Early prey animals faced new predators with jaws and teeth. It became an arms race, a struggle between hunters and the hunted. Predators drove innovation in the animal kingdom. Prey developed defenses like shells, spines, and camouflage. Those that couldn't adapt became food, lost to natural selection. Picture trilobites scattering as Anomalocaris darts from the shadows. This predator-prey dynamic drove evolution, pushing both sides to adapt. Predation fueled diversification, pushing organisms to evolve. The Cambrian seas became a battleground where only the fittest survived. Amidst the chaos and competition of the Cambrian explosion, a new kind of animal emerged, one that would forever change the course of life on Earth. The vertebrate. These pioneers of internal skeletons possessed a crucial evolutionary advantage: a backbone, a flexible rod of cartilage that provided support and allowed for a greater range of movement. Imagine the agility and strength this innovation provided, allowing vertebrates to outmaneuver their prey and explore new ecological niches. No longer confined to the seafloor, these early vertebrates, with their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, could swim freely through the water column, chasing after prey or escaping from predators with greater speed and agility. Picture the grace of a modern fish, its body undulating through the water, its backbone acting as a spring, propelling it forward with each flick of its tail. This simple yet revolutionary skeletal structure, the backbone, provided the foundation for the evolution of an astounding array of creatures, from the tiniest fish to the largest whales, from slithering snakes to soaring birds. It was a key innovation that allowed vertebrates to diversify and dominate ecosystems around the globe, ultimately leading to the evolution of our own species, Homo sapiens. The rise of the vertebrates is a testament to the power of a single, well-timed innovation, a reminder that even small changes can have profound consequences for the trajectory of life. In the grand tapestry of life, some creatures stand out for their size or ferocity. Others, like the humble Picaia, earn their place through their lineage. Imagine a creature so small, yet within it lay the seeds of something extraordinary. Picaia, with its notochord, was a precursor to the backbone. This tiny creature's notochord represented a pivotal evolutionary step. It foreshadowed the development of a lineage that includes us. The story of Picaia is a reminder that greatness often emerges from humble beginnings. The Cambrian explosion marked a turning point in the history of life. Evolution is a continuous process. Life on Earth continued to evolve and adapt. Continents drifted, creating new opportunities for life. The oceans teemed with a bewildering array of creatures. Trilobites faced competition from new invertebrates. Fish diversified into countless forms. Picture the vibrant coral reefs of the Silurian. On land, plants began their conquest of the continents. As the Devonian period ended, life faced environmental challenges. Mass extinctions reshaped the biosphere, paving the way for new life. In this upheaval, dinosaurs began to make their mark. These reptiles thrived, adapting to the changing world. Their legs, beneath their bodies, provided agility and speed. Efficient respiratory systems gave them an edge. Though humble, dinosaurs were poised to dominate. Their reign over 180 million years fascinates us today. From the dawn of oxygen to the rise of dinosaurs, we've journeyed through billions of years, witnessing the incredible story of life on Earth. Simple, single-celled organisms driven by natural selection gave rise to a breathtaking diversity of forms, to the majestic dinosaurs that roamed the planet. The story of life is a testament to adaptation, the resilience of life in the face of adversity, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Our existence is but a single chapter in this ongoing saga. We are the inheritors of a legacy billions of years in the making, shaped by countless generations of organisms. Understanding the past helps shape the future. Let us ensure that life's incredible journey continues. In the next episode, we will continue our journey through the history of life on Earth. Starting from where we left off, we will explore the rise of mammals, the evolution of primates, and the dawn of human civilization. The extinction of the dinosaurs paved the way for mammals to ascend, diversify, and adapt to a myriad of ecological niches. From the small, nocturnal creatures of the past to the intelligent and social beings we are today, the story of mammals is one of resilience and innovation. Join us as we uncover the fascinating timeline of our ancestors and the pivotal moments that shaped our world. How did early mammals survive in a post-dinosaur world? What were the evolutionary pressures that led to the rise of primates? And what were the key milestones on the path to human civilization? Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to the Science and History Archives channel for more intriguing episodes. Together, let's continue to explore the incredible history of life on Earth.